You don't say they don't say one thing.
You don't say they not talk one backam, but you go feel am. Oh.
When you finish, say, nah, come, just come home. Come and eat eba and soup. When you finish, you bath, lie down, and massage you.
Tell us about this film. Say the guy, before you talk, the guy stand. All this in 30 naira there in pockets.
Yeah.
What is 30 naira go do? You don't carry CV for certificate, everything for hand. Yeah. Carry in sukoble. That will not be suit.
That will not be suit, not coat.
Carry coat. Wear for body. And you sure those kind of shoe when you be saying small pikin see them, they will get conversion. They go begin. Dunk and dog. Turn back, see vacancy. Now you wrong, go there. As you don't now enter traffic. Abi?
Yeah.
So make the traffic and at 8 o'clock be the thing.
Yeah.
And in the check and calculate and say if I did this traffic.
You go get a CB. So the mathematic permutation.
He jump down, begin run, they go. He can't reach there because see another traffic way there.
Yeah.
But tell us about this film. They just talk. I don't talk the film, but just tell us.
No, you don't talk everything finished.
What year be this?
This was 2009.
Wow.
Your mind. I don't
you
know.
Don't
tell. When it,
2009. Yeah. So like I get a lot of people then when they look for work. So they give gist of how they go look for work, how they go and interview and all that. And then they say, "Mo do short film based on something where they affect our society."
Okay.
You understand? And unemployment is a big issue.
And one of the things,
you know. So I just say, okay, ma, do something about unemployment.
Yes.
You know, about this guy where they look for work, desperation and everything. So I just apply them. But the thing be say, even the music where I use, that fella music where I use, that be the only narrative. So every day we they suffer, every day, you understand? So that's the narrative.
That's the narrative.
So that's the narrative. And suffering and smiling. So even everything that I put, like you can see the flag inside the car, so you know it's Nigeria. And then you see the inside the bus, the guy had a rosary and a talis. All the conflict that we have in society
is
reflected in what's in his journey, even to look for work.
It's like TikTok, he said they go ask you everything. What's in that uncompleted building they do there and they dirty?
Okay. It's the state of the country.
Oh.
The state of the country. It's
in a state of incompletion.
Yes. It's a state of Hugu Haga.
Yes. White Elephant project.
Distillation Aqua.
Yeah, that just gets stopped. So we have a lot of uncompleted projects. We have a lot of poverty. Basically, that was what it was.
I should say this movie go win you an award.
Yeah, it's small. It is small.
Small. How many awards? You collect money for this thing?
I get one where they pay good money. Yeah.
Good money be how much?
I don't know if you talk out now.
Talk now. So that you now give us transport, Abi.
Idea.
Thousands of dollars, Sha.
Hey!
I mean, that was a long time ago.
My brother, leave that thing.
Which long time
that was 2009.
My brother, 2009.
Then announced the same thing.
Not the same thing. That hey.
Imagine now saying that the same value system, the same exchange rate. Now, I forgot. I don't know if you find me come here again. I'll do Bahamas. I'll still chill. I tell you.
Okay. Anyway, in case you don't know what's in, this time way they say, you get film where una don't go watch for cinema, where una know the people in the movie, una know say na in drum, and that movie, I love that movie.
The movie Catch Fire, like even like the burning bush in the Bible, burning bush. Then they can't call them Oko Asewo.
Oko Asewo. Moku watch just small clip. More watch the trailer or something from that, whatever. Just watch something. From Oko Asewo.
A few clips is
God,
just something.
And Femi can't kill her.
And you see, say nobody for even think say.
But wait, before we watch him, you say nobody for think with him.
Nobody for think say Femi Jacobs go fit do that thing. Because you know. My family, they always they wear suit and tie, they speak Queen English.
Mr. M.
Yeah. But now because of that reason, because when I see him for the meeting, I be teaching an old man. That was the first time because I don't watch things so. So when I see him for meeting, I say, where this old guy come from? They can't jam one day. Come see now yopi guy. I say, wait, this guy is a bit active. So now they are going to follow him up. So I just tell him once, see what I want to, see what I want me to do, and the guy just deliver well.
Because after that, the nearest thing when he don't do when near that one not the visit, but he still be he never did, as him play this Oko Asewo, he no be like that ever. No film he don't do.
How you get the casting? How you get to cast the people there for this thing?
Okay, now me and one my company and another company will come together and say we want to make this film.
Okay.
So when we want to make the film from the beginning, we know say na commercial film we want to make. Say at least make people go watch them. So and a partly Yoruba film.
Okay.
So we bring Odunlade Adekola, we bring Saka, we at least go get that Yoruba strong
feel.
Yeah. Then we want to bring people of this new cinema. So we bring Femi Jacobs, we bring Ijoma Agu. You understand? So we merge all of them together, can't put them inside.
You bring Ijoma because now your wife?
Yes and no. One, yes, because Ijoma is a great actor.
Yes.
Great. And since I don't see how they work, they do film, now only Ijoma they fit give me everything I want. Because I don't work with many other people.
No.
Even before, no, see, we don't work before we marry.
It's okay, don't explain.
No, explain, no worry.
All of us, me, IzyBeatz, and Nedu, we understand.
We understand.
They always give you what you want, my brother. Physically and spiritually, and work-wise.
Continue.
It's okay, who are we to question you?
Yeah, so that because of that reason.
So she gave you what you want.
She can't give you what you want.
She even cut her hair for the matter now because I tell her, say, she be no one, I be no one me she do am. Because she do my first film, Misfit. So I didn't want her to be part of this.
So you don't follow him since?
No, as in we married after Misfit. We don't do.
Meaning that
we don't know. We don't do short.
She don't first give you what you want before you.
Yeah, you don't give me like before, so I know say she sabi act.
Ooh.
No, act, professional. Professional.
We not talk anything.
Professional.
She don't give you what you want. Or what it.
Oh, we taxi
driver and be that Oko Asewo. But we watch us small. When no come back.
You give me what you want. Yeah, me.
We say go look for person go give what them want.
Yeah.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.